Good luck, Spud.
Cheers, Gabby.
Now remember, if they think you're not trying, you're in trouble, right? First hint of that and they'll be onto the DHSS. This cunt is no trying. And the jive was fucking finished, right? But then again, try too hard.
You might get the fucking joke.
Exactly.
Nightmare.
It's a tightrope, Spud. It's a fucking tightrope.
See, I just get pure shy with the interviewer cats, like, I get all nervous and I can't answer any of the questions, like, I'm a footballer and I get nerves on a big occasion, man.
Try some of this, Spud.
Yeah, nervous speed is just a tick in mind.
You know what? I went to Craig Newton. I just put him to Royal Edinburgh College to help get the job. There's too much discrimination in this too, man. Because they're both schools, right? And we're all in this together. And I wanted to put across the general idea rather than the details. Like, people get all hung up on details. Like, which school did I go to? How many organs did I get? Could be like 6, could get none. It's not important. What is important is that I am, yes?
Mr. Murphy, do you mean that you lied on your application?
No. Well, yeah, oh yes. Only to get my foot in the door. Showing initiative and that, like.
But you were referred here by the Department of Employment. There was no need for you to get your foot in the door, as you put it.
Yeah, cool. Whatever you say, man. Sorry, you're the man, the dude in the chair. I am nearly here. Like, we obviously are here, like, but...
Mr. Murphy, what exactly attracts you to the leisure industry?
And what? Pleasure. Like, my pleasure and other people's pleasure.
Do you see yourself as having any weaknesses?
Oh yes, because like, I'm a bit of a perfectionist actually, yes, I am. See, for me it's got to be the best, or there's nothing at all. Like, things get a bit dodgy, I just cannot be bothered. But, yeah, I get good vibes about this interview thing with Adel, man. Seems to me like it's going pretty well, eh?
Thank you, Mr. Murphy. We'll let you know.
The pleasure was mine, man.
Spud had done well.